Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Guru and you are watching Guru Design Lab. Today we are tackling exercise 54 in a step-by-step SOLIDWORKS. Look at this blueprint. We are building the base component and requires the clean center rectangle, a sketch layout and precise angular cuts and accurate feature positioning using smart dimensions. You can see here. And this is perfect practice for a exercise to master your sketch geometry and feature hierarchy workflows. If you want to sharpen your CAD skills, make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a like. And let's jump right into SolidWorks. So first we need to close this exercise, and then we will start from a sketch. You can close here from this and select a new part and then select OK. So first you need to go with a sketch tab and select here a center rectangle and take any plane like top plane and go to origin point and create a rectangle here and go to smart dimension and measure this rectangle. This length is 100 mm and this width is 60 mm and go to apply a fillet to select a sketch fillet and then select these corners, this both corners, and apply a fillet of 30 mm here and then OK and go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 20 mm and then OK. Select this face and go to a sketch tab and select a sketch. Create some reference line for creating a proper design. Create it from origin. Select these all lines and convert into for construction and then go to a smart dimension and measure this line to the origin point is 70 mm, sorry, 45 mm, and this dimension is 30 mm and this is origin from 35 and this is also 35 and then select a circle tab, circle, and create two circles at here. Then go to smart dimension and measure this dimension. It's a small radius, sorry, diameter is 40 mm. And this radius is 50 mm, so diameter is 50 mm. And this dimension is 10 mm and this is 30 mm. Then go to mirror entities and select this mirror, select this circle and mirror about this line and then OK and take a line and create a line from here to here, select here and make this profile OK. Then go to trim entities and trim this all extra part. This all extra part need to cut here and then OK. Delete this dimension and select OK and then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and select this region and draw it to opposite side and select OK. You can see here this profile is ready now. And then you want to apply appearance, some appearance in on this model. You can go with the appearance tab and select any color you want to apply on it, and then select OK. So, and that's complete exercise 54 in SolidWorks. And if this tutorial helped you to master your rectangular layout and dimensioning workflows today, please smash the like button and subscribe to Guru Design Lab. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or requests. I am Guru. Thanks for watching and keep modeling. Thank you guys.